What's good, everyone? Today's video is about how you can cop the Air Jordan 1 University Blue for retail. Let's go. What is good, everybody, and welcome back to Tamster's Kicks. Today, like I said, how you guys can cop Air Jordan 1 University Blue. Got a huge video on it. This is definitely one of the shoes of the year, an early contender. Jordan's spring lineup is going crazy, and this is only the start of it. We saw some come out in February. April, March are going to be packed full of Jordans, but this one right here, I know a ton of people are trying to get their hands on this. So today I'm going to break down how you guys can cop this shoe for retail. Of course, I got all the tips today: sneakers, foot sites, I got the resale guides. Stick around for the video. Today I'm going to show you guys all my secrets how you guys can cop this shoe. We just had an early access for the shoe as well on the Snkrs app, but stock is not going to be super high, but it's also not going to be too low. So there's definitely a chance that we can all hit on this shoe. Again, before we get started today, hit that subscribe button for your boy. Turn on the bell so you guys don't miss out any notifications, new videos I post. I'm always posting new stuff for you guys, trying to help you guys cop shoes. But today, Air Jordan 1 University Blue. Let's get into it. Little quick history with the shoe, with the colorway, kind of just a little background on it. The Air Jordan 1, of course, you guys know, super iconic shoe, but this specific colorway is paying homage to Michael Jordan's days back in North Carolina on the Tar Heels. We used to play at Chapel Hill with the team. This shoe is so amazing. It's basically the same kind of color blocking as the Chicago Jordans when he played for the Bulls in the NBA. And then they decided to make this University Blue colorway as well. As you can see, they're basically the same shoe, just with a different color blocking. I love that they have the NBA, like Chicago themed one. Now they have this UNC Tar Heel University Blue Jordan 1. Absolutely love it. Let's check out sneakers, break down the release. Then we got the resale guide, how you guys can cop, and then some secrets as well. All right, so you guys can see the Air Jordan 1 University Blue releasing March 6th. We have men's sizes loaded up here, retailing at $170. And then as we scroll down to the bottom, you guys can see the grade school sizes all the way down here. They're gonna be at $130 retail. Very, very excited for this shoe. I know a lot of people have already been hitting me up for access with these shoes. Definitely trying to plug a bunch, but you can already see, like, just the official images. You can see the leather, the quality is gonna be amazing on it. You already see the suede University Blue hits around the shoe, and I'm very, very excited for this one. Like I said, gonna be an early contender for shoe of the year, Jordan 1 of the year for sure. As we kind of break down the shoe, you can see the leather all around is that University Blue. You have it on the heel, on the toe, all around the upper as well, and then even up along the collar, eye stray. Super, super nice. I love the hits of the University Blue all around, from the ankle to the heel to the toe. It's just an amazing color. They never go wrong, honestly, when they do the University Blue, UNC, UCLA kind of vibes on the shoe. They just had those UCLA Coast Dunks come out. Love that. But again, like, everyone's gonna be wanting the shoe just because of this clean color blocking on it. As we take a look more at the shoe, you can see the black hits all around. You got the black laces, black on the collar, black swoosh, and then the Wings logo also is embossed in the black color as well. This is gonna be a shoe, guys, you're not gonna want to sleep on. Grade school sizes, men's sizes are actually going insane right now. There's not too much info on stock number yet. Should be coming in like a day or two, but this is definitely one, like I said, you're not gonna want to sleep on. We're gonna take a look at the prices right here because you guys will be definitely, I don't know if you'll be surprised, but they're holding up very, very big right now. So let's check that out. So as we go in to look at the prices in here, you can see that they're holding up very nice. They're about $450 to $500 in most sizes. And that is pretty crazy because most Jordan 1s, we see a heavy decline leading up to the release. We still got about a week until the actual release of the shoe. But with the early pairs coming in now from sneakers, some other sites starting to get shipments, we should be seeing more of a decrease, honestly, because around release day, most Jordan 1s hit around probably like $320 to $350 in most sizes, but I think these ones are going to hold up very nice. Once pairs actually come in, I'm seeing the men's sizes, depending on stock, about, I don't know, $350 to $400 is what I'm thinking, because a lot of people are going to want these ones. And like I said, I don't have the stock number yet, and I know it's not going to be super high like a Biohack or a a pine green, a women's Jordan 1 silver toe that we just had. It's not gonna be super high, but I also don't think it's gonna be super, super low. And so this one will be available, but it's still gonna be very tough for like the average person to get. So like I said, I wanna break down how you guys can get this shoe because I know a lot of people want it. That will be after the resale guide. But most sizes, like I said, 450 to 500 pre-release. As we check out the grade school, which retail at 130, these ones are definitely gonna hit. This is gonna be a great investment piece because these ones retailing at 130 are already at 400 in most sizes. And that's gonna be one that will hit even more over time. Like the Obsidian Jordan 1s, those just skyrocketed, become stagnant now, but a huge increase to $500-600, and that's what these ones are gonna do as well. So investment wise, definitely gonna be a shoe you're gonna wanna unload money onto. Sell pairs that you're kind of thinking you should sell or stuff that hasn't been selling very well as very hot items recently because you're gonna wanna invest into this one. If you guys need any investment advice, just drop down your shoes in the comments. I'll make sure to hit you guys with a reply what I think you guys should do with those pairs. I mean, real quick, I just wanted to go through and show you some other UNC colors and how the prices just skyrocket with these. As you can see, the men's Jordan Obsidian is sitting at 500 in the sizes. We go back, we can see grade school Obsidians, like I said, going crazy. Even more, 500 to 600 right now in the Obsidian grade schools. These also Jordan 1 low UNCs. I know a lot of people don't like the big tongue on them, but these were sitting at, not sitting I guess, but after the release, they retailed at 90, I believe, and then they were at like 130, 140 for a little bit, and now look at the over 300, basically all sizes, 400 in the smaller sizes. So again, a UNC colored Jordan 1 shoe, really, even the Dunk Coast, all gonna do very well. So let's break down how you guys can get this shoe because I know a lot of people want it. Okay, so like I said, it's not gonna be a super high stock shoe, not gonna be super limited. It is gonna be a GR Jordan 1 release, but that being said, demand always outweighs the amount of stock. We've seen that with Yeezy Breads, with the Mocha Air Jordan 1s. However much stock actually comes out doesn't matter as long as there's demand. And we'll always see demand for really Jordan 1s, but UNC colored Jordan 1s and Chicago Jordan 1s, always gonna skyrocket. So with that being said, I know you guys all wanna cop this shoe. So some of the best sites, best ways to get this shoe, of course, Nike Snkrs is gonna be very, very key. They're gonna have a ton of the stock. They usually get like 50 to 75% of the actual stock of the shoe. So this is gonna be one where you're gonna wanna focus on having a ton of different people enter. If you have family members, friends around you who maybe don't have an account yet, get them to set up a new account for the drop because setting up new accounts tends to work. Nike kind of sees your new like user, new person. They want you to continue to use their app and to continue to pay for their stuff. Yeah, it's a marketing scam, but that's how they work. I've seen it work in the past. So get your friends, family to sign up. Also, if you guys haven't seen my other Nike Snkrs videos, make sure to always have like notifications on. Go through and favorite, be active on the app. Also have your payment in there. If you guys haven't hit in a while, change up the payment. Like I always say, PayPal works. I've hit with PayPal, a credit card, debit card works, Apple Pay even works. All those methods work. So if you haven't hit in a while, just switch it up. It shouldn't be that hard to switch it up to a different payment method. I've done it before and I've hit multiple times switching it up. So definitely do that. Also, Face ID, having it on helps a lot. That's just in the settings on like the right side in the app. That definitely helps because it saves time. You do want to be super quick on these Leo ones. You have about 1 to 2 minutes to actually get your entries in. So you're gonna want to be super quick with that. Other sites coming out with these, we're gonna have a lot of the normal GR kind of Nike authorized retailers, foot sites, of course, Foot Locker, Champs, all of those. There's gonna be tons of raffles like most Jordans have. You're gonna want to enter all those raffles like Detail R and Naked. Different foot site ones are gonna be probably the biggest cook, honestly. In-store reservations always hit good. So if you guys haven't already, go check out like your local Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action, and just try to find some shoes maybe that you could flip. Even if you lose like $2, $3, $5, or even if you profit a couple dollars, just go buy it to get your points up on your account because the way that Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Site app reservations work is you gotta have a lot of points and it rewards based on points. It's not like the old system in the past where head starts really were the big advantage. Yeah, you're going to want to put head starts onto your reservations because you won't win without that. But once head starts, everyone's like has the same amount of head starts, it goes off of points. So you're going to want as many points as you can. So just go check out your local stores for that. Other than that, a lot of sites should be posting more information. They should be getting shipments in soon as the release is coming soon. I know not a lot of stores have gotten stock yet. I mean, they did load on Nike Snkrs, so we're good with that. Foot app reservations should start popping up this next week on like Monday. And other than that, just keep checking out stores around you. Some of those main tire stores I've been talking about will get stock of them because it is a Jordan 1 and they're kind of higher Nike authorized retailers, so look for that. And then secrets, guys, you guys already know the Nike Snkrs secrets. I've told you a bunch, still making that video for you guys. It'll be coming soon. It'll be here soon. For the video today, that's gonna do it again. Thanks for checking it out today. If you liked the video, leave a big like on it. Make sure to do that because it pushes this out to everyone who is trying to cop the Air Jordan 1 University Blue. Let me know down below how much you like this shoe. I absolutely love this shoe. One of my favorite Jordan 1s to come out. Definitely gonna be throwing it up on the wall. We'll be getting that pair in. But again, thanks for watching today. We'll see you next time.